amats nyo, kayo lang din nagpapaselo sa sarili nyo. Ate Ans! Okay. If marami na tayo, okay, hear me out. Hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. So, I want to sing you guys a song, and I've just learned this now. Kasi I just heard it now. And when like the lyrics is like, whoa, it's screaming at me, saying that, oh, you should cover me, you should sing me. And the lyrics, guys, it's so kilig jud, like, oh my god. Like, the excitement, I can't contain the excitement. Hello, Chi! Cannot contain the excitement. I got so kilig with the song. So, hear me out. Pwede kayo magbagsak. Kung gusto niyo magbagsak na kayo. Sige na. Okay lang yun. I'd love to see you. But may music band. What's that? Okay. Alright. Kasama ba ako dyan? Ba't nakalagay dyan? Hindi to budol, guys, kasi isang beses ko lang to gagawin. Kasi nasobrahan ako sa kilig, baka madilulo na ako. Ayoko madilulo. Bawal yun. Malulungkot tayo pag nadilulo tayo. So, okay, right? Alright, diba? Pag magdilulo tayo, masakit. Pero minsan, masaya naman magdilulo. Nakilig lang ako sa song. That's why I wanted to sing it to you guys. Magbagsak kayo kung gusto nyo. Tsaka paabutin natin ng paabutin natin ng 200 likes. If umabot siya ng 200 likes, kakantahin ko talaga siya. As in, ng sobra. Tapos share nyo lang. Like, oh my god, the song. I wanted to sing it. I wanted to share it. Kasi, feeling lang. No, you haven't heard the song. It's so kilig. See? The ano pa lang, the guitar? The guitar pa lamang, like, bro. Look, listen. See? Hindi pa nga kumanta, pero how to sing without singing, ganun yun. Like, it's so nice. I promise you guys, I'm not lying, Jude. Like, the song is so nice. It's so nakakakilig. Like, imagine, I love the way the sunlight hits your hair in the morning when the day is forming. I love the way you wake up way too early in the morning. Way too early in a bad mood, and I laugh at you. Sorry, si OA. I love making you coffee, so much cream it's almost white. I love watching movies with you, even movies I don't like. I love the days and normal ways we get to be together. Wish it lasts forever. I love so many things, even more than you know. When the season have changed us, I search for your ghost. Bro, kuha niya kilitiko. Kuha ng kantang to, kilitiko. The song is so nakakakilig. That's why I got so kilig. And the title is Love You the Most. Like, right? Like, right? Sino ba di kikiligin, diba? Diba? Di ko muna sasabihin. Diba? Ayun na nga. Ah! Si OA. Okay. Okay, I think I need to relax. I need to relax. Brother. Guys. Rush muna tayo. Ang ganda ng kanta, guys. Like, I was giggling the whole time. Only exception. Sige, mag-only exception ako. Sige. For Ma'am Shia Asel! Kailangan umabot tayo ng 200k. You guys need to hear this song. Promise you guys, I'm not even kidding. Like, this is the song. This is the song of my life. This is the song. So kilig. The song is so nakakakilig. Parang gusto mo na lang masabi na, alo, sana na in love lang ako. Ang sharper ma in love. Ganun. The song is giving that vibes. Okay. Only exception. Sarap din magdilulu. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Okay, fourth fret. Okay. Oopsie. Go back. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry, curse at the wind. Broke his own heart and parang mali yung ano ko. When I was younger. What? When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry, curse at the wind. Broke his own heart as I watched as he tried to reassemble it. Hello, Ate Feliz. My mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love. But does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. Oh, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. Yeah, you are the only exception. Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts, and we've gotta find other ways to make it alone or keep us straight-faced. And I've always loved like this, keeping it comfortable. distance. And up until now, I have sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness. And none of it was ever worth the risk, 'cause you are the only exception. Yeah, you are the only exception. Love, you are the only exception. Yeah, you are the only exception. I've got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what is in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. Oh, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. Yeah, you are the only exception. Ay, kumanta na nga lang, nafe-feel yung kanta, pati yung kanta, ginagawa nyo ng issue. Ano ba yan? Nakakilig kasi yung kanta, bakit ba bawal ba kiligin? Ay, nako, wag na nga lang. Di na ako kikiligin. No na. Ay, nako. Yay. Yay. Bakit? Ay, wait lang. Whoa, what's happening? Diba? Kanta kasi, dapat, pag nakakakilig yung kanta, syempre, nanonood yan sa mga buto natin, pagkatapos manood yan, syempre, lumalabas yan. We need to be in the song, we need to be transitioned with the song. Ganon yon, okay? Pinagkakaabalahan ko ngayon. Right now, bumabawi ako ng tulog kasi for the next week, it's gonna be sunod-sunod up until November. So, I pray that my body will stay healthy kasi ngayon, guys, as you can hear in my voice, medyo malat ako kasi feeling ko sisipunin ako. Ayun yun, sisipunin. Kaya nga, nagdala nga ako ng kaya nga, sobrang gamit na gamit to. Thank you, Jello. Never ako nakapag-thank you kay Jello in front. Kanina, nakausap ko na, never pa ako nakapag-thank you. Thank you, Jello. Parang di ko yata kaya mag-thank you sa harapan mo. Kasi nahiya ako ng sobra. Pero salamat! Grabe guys, ang sarap. Paano maglanghap ng ng ito? Dapat ganito, buong muka. Nakita ko yung kay JL. JL, ganito maglanghap, ha? Para di ka ubuhin. Lagay dapat yung mukha sa, sa, ang tawag nito? Sa malaking, container. Buong muka. Wow, refreshing! Bakit kaya nga ba't siya naubo? Baka nalanghap niya ng diretso. Subsob ang langhap. Dapat ganon. Yes, Ada. Hi, Pia. Amoy adobong maanghang, alam mo yung amoy ng adobo, tsaka amoy ng sinigang na maanghang. Ganito yun, kasi may alcamper leaf, may cloves. Cloves, ginagamit din yun sa adobo. Kaya pala siya may maasim na note, kasi may leech lime skin. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. May lemongrass din, kaya that's why. Thank you, Lord. Busog ako. Hello, Ate Ali. How are you? Tinola. Ayun, tinola pala. Hindi yung sinigang tinola. Ayun. Hi, Clove sa adobo. Hi, Dexter. Happy birthday to Courtberry. I see you on solar concert. Solo concert. Oh, thank you. Ate Ali, I miss you, Ate Ali. Where have you been? How have you been? And how's your baby? How's baby boy? Anong ulam nyo kanina? Kailangan ba magkaalaman tayo ng ulam dito ngayon? Hulaan nyo kung ano yung baho ng hininga ko ngayon. Hulaan tayo. Lindol po dito. Oh my goodness. Really? Mag-ingat kayo. You guys, wherever, search ko nga kung anong nangyayari na. Saan ba naglindol? Saan ba yung epicenter? Sa Surigao din? Sa Davao may lindol. Sa Surigao din. Pero saan yung epicenter? Sa Davao yung epicenter. Wala, si LA. Mag-ingat kayo dyan, guys, ha? Be alert. Be alert. Tapos, mag-abang lagi sa kung anong balita. Amo na tsunami alert? What? Message ko kasi the boy. Sorry guys, kasi kakagising ko lang nun kanina. No, I haven't. Tita Con, nakita na ni mo, Tita Con. Paki-out na siya, Tita Con, please. Palihog. Pati sa Cebu. Kakatawag ko lang kay Dasha kahapon, kagabi eh. $7.5! Oh. Ano ba talaga? 7.5 or 7.6? So, final 7.6. Guys, take care. Sa epicenter, 7.6. Naglinog din sa Surigao, 7.2. Nag-aftershock pa yan. Be alert, everyone. Sa mga taga Davao po na nandito po sa live po, huwag muna kayong save nyo batteries nyo as much as possible. Save up your batteries. Make sure that your power banks are charged. Make sure na may may gamit kayo na mabilis nyo nang kunin. Kasi before sa Siargao, when we're living in Siargao, sa bahay namin, talagang may emergency bag kami nandun. May damit na doon, may mga food na dilata, may mga shampoos, basta mga needs, necessities nandun na sa isang bag. Para pag alis namin, everything handa na lahat, alis na kami. Di na kami huli-huli sa bahay. Except sa lolo namin kasi sobrang tigas ng tatay kasi namin, sobrang tigas ng ulo. Hindi yan magbabakwit. Nagbagyo na nga na lahat-lahat sa Siargao nung sa sa Odette. Wala, nandun lang siya sa bahay. Hindi nasira bahay namin pero nasira yung munisipyo. You guys take care. Sunod-sunod talaga kasi remember remember Albay when feeling ko dito din lilindol din ngayon like this year hindi lilindol this year kasi ilang taon na rin na ang volcano sa Albay. Ano ba pangalan ng volcano sa Albay? Ilang years na rest. Every 4 years yan eh. Every 4 years, 3 years yan eh. Sa Mayon, yeah. Every 3 years, 4 years. Nag-activate siya. Taal and Bayon. Yeah. Let's pray. But also, be ready. Tingnan nyo guys, binabawian tayo ng Mother Earth natin. Kung ano talaga yung ginagawa talaga natin, babalik lang sa atin. Sa mga tao na nagtatapon lang ng basura, go pa, tingnan nyo. Balik pa rin sa atin. Kahit sabihin man natin na walang corruption, pag tayo ganyan, wala tayong disiplina, babalik at babalik pa rin sa atin. Let's say it's natural na pangyayari, pero we were the ones who are causing climate change. Actually, we are the ones who are causing climate change. Sa lahat ng bagay, lahat talaga na ay karma. May karma. Good and bad, meron. Tapos, we don't have to blame it then too. So, okay, let's say na, what if walang corrupt o wala tayong mabiblaman? Sarili lang natin. It's just so happened din na sila nasa itaas sila. So, syempre sila, mabiblame talaga sila. And of course, meron din naman talaga din sila kasalanan. Kaya, ayun. Well, sa kanila na yun, hindi man yan darating ngayon, pero darating at darating yan. But, remember, walang maliit at walang malaki na mistake. Lahat ng maliliit, kung pag-iipunin yung maliliit na pagkakamali, lumalaki yan eh. So, nasa atin pa rin, we always have a choice to do what's good and what's right. It's just so happened, magkaiba lang tayo ng values, magkaiba lang tayo ng morals, at saka magkaiba tayo ng paniniwala. Magkaiba ang limit sa takot ng tao, kasi magkaiba tayo lahat. Mentally, we're different. We think different. Our beliefs are different. Values are different. Kaya dapat lahat tayo, may marunong mag-compromise. Kasi if we have if we compromise, mali na yun, kamali na na ako dito, but we'll be able to meet in the middle. Kasi hindi naman pwede na isang tao lang ang humahakbang patungo sa'yo. Kailangan natin lahat mag-meet in the middle, kasi kung nasa middle tayo, we're able to see eye to eye. End call na. Yeah, hindi pwede pataasan, compromise, meet in the middle. Hindi pwede isa lang yung susulob, isa lang yung hahakbang, kasi kung isa lang, wala pa rin mangyayari kasi nasa taas ka eh. Wala ka sa gitna. Kailangan nasa gitna tayo para mag-meet tayo eye to eye. Yeah, always stay humble and kind. Everybody has their opinions, of course. We're living in an era where every opinions, every words, every comment should matter, but it's still different if we have humility in every word we say. Let's say, okay, he has a point, but everybody has a point. Kasi nga, iba yung truth natin. Magkaiba yung truth din natin. Yung truth niya, yung truth ko, yung truth mo, at yung totoo, magkaiba. I feel sad. Di ba kayo nalulungkot? Ako nalulungkot ako ngayon, guys. Yes, pray for Cebu and Davao, and we should do something. Okay? Hindi man malaki, pero we know what's the right thing to do. Yeah, I'm here in Manila. Kaya pala di ko makontak sila mami. Kagabi nakontak ko pa si mami. Sila Tilayka di ko nakontak. Baka nawalan sila ng signal. Ngayon mini-message ko din kapatid ko. Tsaka si Tilayka. Makaguol jud, pero ang mga panghitabo ron ato ra gapon sala. Kita may naay pwede himuon pero wala man nato gihimo. Sala ra gapon nato, kita ra gapon naga-suffer. Dili man pwede na ang sala nato lain ang moangkon. Di man pwede. Dapat kita man. We don't get to blame other people. We get to blame ourselves. Because we are in action. We have actually the choice, but we choose not to do the right thing. Tapos pag naay mag-ingon ng tinuod, pakasalaon, maoy mali, baliktaron, edi wala na lang, dili na lang magstorya na lang kung amuhon. Kaya wala may gusto mamati sa tinuod. Tayo nag-message si Taboy. Pag-amping mo, baya mo dira, ha? Oo, 2 minutes. 2 minutes ang kadugayon. Grabe na nila hinilakay. Nanguli dayon mi after the incident. So, it lasted 2 minutes, guys. Where are you right now? Sige guys, mag-end muna ako. Kausapin ko muna kapatid ko. Bye-bye! Amping everyone in Davao, Surigao, and everybody na na-hit ng lindol. Amping muna kayo. I need to talk to my brother. And bye!